How to download NetMirror app on Android. Are you trying to download NetMirror on your Android phone? Today, I'm going to clearly tell you the safe truth so you don't make a mistake next time. First of all, open the Play Store app and search for NetMirror. Now you need to understand what I'm about to tell you. NetMirror is not available on the Play Store because Google Play Store policies don't allow pirated or unauthorized streaming apps, and NetMirror claims to show content for free that is normally paid. That's why it doesn't get official approval. Downloading an APK from Chrome is technically possible, but it's not safe at all because third-party websites can contain malware, spyware, or fake versions that can steal your data or even damage your device. Now look at the practical side. If you open the Play Store and search NetMirror, the apps you see are not the real NetMirror. They are just using the name, or they are guide apps that don't actually provide any movies or streaming content. Now the question is, should you download it from Chrome? The straight answer is no, the risk is very high. A lot of people install APKs without checking, and later their phone starts getting slow, ads keep popping up, or their data gets compromised. So the best approach is this. If an app is not available on the Play Store, there's no need to force install it. Staying safe is more important. If you want to watch movies and shows, always use trusted apps that are officially available. They keep your phone safe and your data secure too. Still got any problem? Share in the comments. Thanks for watching.